there, are you looking to earn easily? Then you are at the right place. I'm Shrujna and here are the 10 easy ways to make money quickly. Number 1. Start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Number 2. Become a delivery rider or driver. Got a bicycle, motorbike or car? What about a smartphone? That's all you need to make some extra money by delivering food or people whenever you have got some spare time. Number 3. Write and publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money on Amazon. Fourth, part-time job. A part-time job is the obvious first choice opted for by most students looking to supplement their student loan. It provides a pretty steady flow of income and can enable you to gain valuable work experience. Fifth one, sell your notes. If you do not mind sharing your notes with other students, it's a great way to generate a little extra cash. There are sites out there that you can upload your notes to along with your price, and then when another student downloads them, you get paid. Sixth one, sell second-hand course books. One great way to make money is to buy other student textbooks at the end of the year and then sell them just after Freshers Week. Seventh one, sell all your old series, games and movies. If you are looking to make a very quick buck, then selling your old bits and bobs that are cluttering up your room is a good idea. The best thing about it is that you can rip all the songs and films onto your laptop or external hard drive before selling them. This means that you are only really selling the plastic and artwork. Eighth, sell on your education. Becoming a tutor to other students is easier than ever. Until recently, your market was limited to local face-to-face sessions. But thanks to online tutoring sites, you can go global. Ninth, rent out your house for filming. Directors for TV and film are always on the hunt for houses to film in. Not only can you make good money, but it's crazy seeing your own place on TV. 10th one, sell clothes on eBay. Everyone's best friend when it comes to getting rid of junk from your wardrobe on eBay or OLX at ease.